trying to catch them all. Oh! You stepped on your baby's head, you big rat. Come here, pig thing. Come here. Come here, pity thing. Just you're messing with me now. She's throwing my hand up in the air wanting dog food is what she's wanting. There he goes. Faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. Look, it's a, what is it? Oh, it's a bird. It's a plane. Nope. It's Ammo, also known as Maverick. Oh, he's through performing. It's all over for the day. Or for the hour. I'm gonna say, whoops, maybe not. There's Mom again.
This is like hell no.
She says, you have teeth now, buddy. Oh. I know, she won't feed you.
Hungry. Are you hungry?
Eating and sleeping is all you like. She's not gonna come across, is she? Well, the heck with her. The heck with her. Okay. Yeah, we won't mess with her no more.
Did you say something about keeping a runt?